Did I believe in a true love that gave us a brand new beginning? No room for a king, no celebration and no ceremony. In that little town, no, nobody will think this is the story of the coming glory. Can you hear the prayers that people prayed? Can you see the skies begin to break? When heaven and earth were face to face, oh how the world forever changed. For God is with us. God is with us. All in a moment, all in an instant, the body was broken and it was finished. So let us begin the celebration and the ceremony. There's silence on earth, but the heavens are roaring, telling the story of the coming glory. Can you feel your heart begin to race? Can you see the tide begin to change? With all of our futures rearranged, the world will never be the same. For God is with us. God is with us. For God is with us. God is with us. For God is with us. Dare to imagine, dare to believe in a true love that gave us a reason for living. Can you feel the hope that's rushing in? Can you hear the song that's echoing? Join with the choir as we sing. This is where love truly begins. For God is with us. God is with us. For God is with us. God is with us. For God is with us. Oh, can you see? Oh, can you see? God is with us.